Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks, box break number 195. Folks, I'm going to keep plugging this for the next couple breaks at least, but if you have not checked out break number 192, Young Guns buyback, 8 of 25, Connor McDavid. Break number 193, Acetate Young Guns, Pierre-Luc Dubois. What a week that was last week, but this week, today, I've got a box of 1920 Ice. As I said, I would likely be diving back into some more Ice and SPA. Honestly, it's a tough decision for me. I don't know which product I like more this year, Ice or SPA. But box number 423 on the Ice box today. I would say Ice is a nice quick break, but the last time I said that was the buybacks box, and that ended up not being a very quick break. Going to move the middle pack down to the bottom there, as that has seemed to be our auto, and we will start off with the first pack here. We have a orange Nikita Kucherov and a Ice Premier's jersey of Jesper Boquist. Second pack, we did see a very nice exquisite auto come out of this pack in our first box. Green, Mikko Rantanen, and a purple Sub-Zero rookie, Nicholas Hegg. That is numbered 620 of 999. Nicholas Hegg, Sub-Zero rookie. Green, Alex Ovechkin, and behind the decoy we have a Ice Premier's 1136 of 1299, Jonah Luto. Probably butchered his name, but no clue who he is. Alright, next pack. Should be another Ice Premier's. Green Emerald, Jack Eichel. And behind the decoy we have a Ice Premier's 246 of 499, Carter Verhaeghe. Much better Ice Premier's there, Carter Verhaeghe. And final pack should have an auto, and it looks like an exquisite. Emerald Henrik Lundqvist, and behind that we have no freaking way our luck continues, Cale Makar. Exquisite rookies auto, 6 of 99, Cale Makar. You have to be kidding me. This streak of amazing pulls just continues. 6 of 99, 2 off the jersey number. Exquisite Collection rookies. Cale Makar. What a beautiful card. Grab a one touch here. I do not believe this incredible streak that we are on right now. Holy. Exquisite Collection rookies, 6 of 99. Cale Makar. What a break. Oh man, this is incredibly hard to believe. Let's do a quick recap here. Orange Kucherov. Emerald Renton. Emerald Ovechkin. Emerald Eichel. Emerald Lundqvist. Ice Premier's jersey, Jesper Boquist. Rookie Sub-Zero, 620 of 999, Nicholas Hague. Ice Premier's 1136 of 1299, Jonah Luto. Again, probably butchered his name. 246 of 499, Ice Premier's rookie of Carter Verhaeghe. And the hit of the box, continuing our incredible streak of amazing pulls. Exquisite Collection rookies, 6 of 99, Cale Makar. Holy folks, I do not believe this streak right now. The last 2 weeks especially have been absolutely fire. Oh, wow. Well folks, if you did enjoy this break, feel free to leave a like, comment below. If you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. And if you haven't already, go back and check out breaks number 192 with the Young Guns buyback. 8 of 25 Connor McDavid. Break 193. Acetate Young Guns, Pierre-Luc Dubois. And again, today's great pull. Exquisite Collection rookies, 6 of 99. Auto Cale Makar. Folks, thanks for tuning in. This I don't know how much longer this lucky streak will continue, but I will try to keep it up. Man, what a last couple weeks.